Jerry on the beat, whoa.
Wakey. Time to do the show. Anyway,
Hi, Cass!
welcome to Cat's Eye. It's
Hello.
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday.
Let's get started. The LN Dream Team is selling candy cane grams during all lunches this week. Prices range between $1 and $2. All proceeds benefit the LNDT Scholarship Fund. Deliveries will take place the week of December 8th.
There is a band concert this Wednesday night at 7 p.m. and a jazz band concert on Friday at 7 p.m. You should come out and see both shows. They are great.
The senior and parent FAFSA meeting to learn about financing college will be held today at 6:30 p.m. in the Little Theater.
Senior photos for the LN yearbook must be taken at Prestige Studios, and the deadline is approaching quick, guys. Contact Prestige at this website below. It should be right here. To schedule your sitting, the cost is $15. There will be no yearbook photos of seniors taken at Lawrence North.
Wow, really short show today.
Yeah, it's like
Seems to
Mr.
be all
Krauser.
we have. Stay classy, Ellen.
Can I say that?